he comes.
Here he comes! All the things are shutting down because he's coming. Even when you come down here, even when that same conductor looks at you, they still don't give you stuff. I think we should.
Now he's gonna bang into these, watch. It's gonna be a really loud bang.
Should I cover my ears?
No, it's not that loud. Here he comes, watch him. See how he's coming up to the cars? There he goes. Now his brakeman in the front is communicating with him, saying how far away he is.
That's
Look
not a
at
big
that. That was a gentle connection. Now watch, he's hooking up to him. Now that guy's gonna close the coupler.
Maybe because he thought that it was gonna be too loud for me.
That guy is closing the coupler and hooking up the brake hoses. Now he's done, and now they're airing up all the cars. They have to wait till all the cars' air pressure builds up before they can move.
Because they were sitting there for a little time.
Oh, here comes one of the workers.
Where?
Right there. Little pettibone.
I never seen that thing.
I can go on the rails too.
You can?
Yep, he might go on the rails, who knows?
What, is there a problem?
Nope, they're just coming back. They're parking their stuff. They're done for the day. You know, they probably could invest in a new one. That one there's probably built in 1950.
Coupled all of those before when they uncoupled it, then
Probably push pause.